Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to sort data in SQL. Thank you. Firstly, I need to make sure that I am in the right database. As you can see, now I am in master database. So I will change it to customer database. After I change it to customer database, I just execute it. Make sure that everything is all good. After I execute it, now I will click on the plus sign here. Click on the plus sign here. And then click on the plus sign on the tables. So now I can see that I am inside customer database. And inside a customer database, there is customer, order, items, orders, and product. Now I am in the right database. First thing that I will do is I will select all from the customer table, execute it. After I execute the customer table of the customer database, I can see that inside that table, I have customer ID, customer name, gender, and city. And if you look closely in the customer ID, the order is in ascending order from the smallest to the largest. Now we are practicing order by. So order by is nothing but order any specific column or multiple column either from the smallest to the largest or from the largest to the smallest. In this case, I will reverse it by order it from the largest to the smallest. So what I will do is I just set order by a column name that we want to order it or we want to sort it. In this case, I want customer ID. So there's a keyword either ascending order or descending order. Without a keyword, nothing changed because it automatically sort that particular column, which is customer ID, from the smallest to the largest. So what I will do, I need to add a keyword. This, which is descending order. If I execute it again, now I can see that the customer ID is sort from the largest to the smallest. I also can sort multiple columns. In this case, I only sort one column, but I also can sort another column as well. What I will do, I just add comma, any particular column that I need. For example, customer name, and probably descending or ascending order, something like that. Execute it again. I can see that the output still the same because the data is already sorted based on the customer ID, and the SQL only use the customer name only when there is a duplicate record on the customer IDs. I think my video today is finished. Thank you. Bye bye.